Hi, I'm Coach Abby. Thank you for tuning in to Love Advice TV. Love Advice TV is a channel developed with the sole purpose of helping you navigate relationship challenges. Alongside the amazing Coach Adrian, Coach Alex, and Coach Natalie, I welcome you to today's topic, regaining trust after a breakup. And we're going to narrow it down to 3 simple ways to start the process. 1. Sincere and transparency. You truly need to open up. It's no half-truths are accepted. You have to position yourself in what's going to be a very uncomfortable situation, vulnerable to say the least, but it's the only way to start the process. When one is genuine and authentic, we start rebuilding the trust that we've lost. Number 2, accountability. Take full responsibility of what happened. Do not use it as a moment to blame, to finger point. I did it because you did this. I'm like this because it was your fault. No, own up to it. That is so powerful when you look at a person and say, I was so wrong. I did it because I did it. And with it, bring a solution. Show that you've done your homework. Show the remorse. That is so amazingly and so incredibly seductive. And number 3, consistent behavior. It's not just about infidelity. Many times when we talk about losing trust, we think it's because we immediately run to that infidelity. Oh, they were with someone else and they did this and they did that. No, sometimes we lose trust in the most simplest of things, of the trust that you can make that person happy. And they just give up. There's been so many arguments or so many, separations and distancing. So they literally just lose trust on your ability to bring happiness to the relationship. You have to dive deep inside yourself. Find out what fueled your actions. Was it jealousy? Was it controlling issues? Whatever it might have been, just put it on the table. Show them that you take full responsibility. That is very, very powerful. I invite you to book a session with me. Let's together work on different strategies so that you can regain the trust of your ex. It's so important. It really does seal the deal. And it's so necessary because a relationship without trust is not a relationship. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button below and leave any comments. I will personally look at each and every one of them and put my comments alongside yours. Thank you once again. I'm Coach Abby.